Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Secure Insurance, beginner guide step by step clearly. Creating a budget with Secure Insurance is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances effectively. Start by determining your total income. This includes your salary, any side jobs, and other sources of revenue. Next, identify all your regular expenses. This encompasses fixed costs like rent, utilities, and insurance premiums. Include variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and personal care. Make a list of these expenses to get a clear picture. Now, categorize your expenses into essential and non-essential. Essential expenses are necessary for daily living, while non-essential expenses are discretionary. Next, add up all your expenses to see how they compare to your income. This will help you understand whether you are in a surplus or deficit. If you find you're spending more than you earn, it's time to make adjustments. Review your non-essential expenses and identify areas to cut back. Consider creating a savings goal for emergencies and future purchases. With Secure Insurance, assess how much you need to allocate for insurance premiums. Factor this amount into your budget under essential expenses. Now, create a monthly budget plan that outlines your income and all categorized expenses. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets for better tracking and organization. Once your budget is set, monitor your spending regularly. Review your budget monthly to see if adjustments are necessary. The goal is to stay within your budget while ensuring you can still save and enjoy life. By budgeting with Secure Insurance, you're taking control of your finances responsibly. Stay disciplined and committed, and you'll see positive changes over time. Keep refining your budget as your financial situation evolves. Regularly revisit your goals and update your plans accordingly. With these steps, you'll build a solid foundation for managing your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.